The National Roofing Contractors Association suggests that no standing water remain on a roof membrane longer than 48 hours and considers ponding water on any roof unacceptable. Ponding water is in the top 3 concerns that most building owners and facility managers have about their existing roof. Over time, standing water on your roof membrane can deteriorate your roof, causing safety concerns with structural damage, slip hazards, roof leaks, insect problems, and mold issues. Ponding water on your roof also voids most roof warranties and is a problem for most insurance carriers. GreenSlope is designed to reduce the depth of water ponding areas on rooftops. Made mostly from recycled materials, GreenSlope's unique properties allow it to be shaped, molded, and built up to redirect water towards desired drainage areas. GreenSlope can be used in a variety of places on the roof, around roof drains or scuppers, behind roof curbs, as a walk pad around doors and AC units, or anywhere you have standing water. GreenSlope is an environmentally friendly way to quickly and easily remedy your ponding water challenges. And unlike its concrete competitors, GreenSlope will not damage your roof and can be applied to any roof membrane. Commit to a sustainable future and solve your roofing problems today with GreenSlope.